Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little tutorial chit chat on this Euphoria look. I did this all for one TikTok. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look at full video every single week. Hey. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. So I'm making this makeup look just to do a TikTok. This is what my life has come to. And I need to wax my upper lip. So there's that. So if you guys don't know, there's a TikTok going around that's basically like a little trend of where you start out normal and then you hit a pillow and you're all Euphoria. So that's what I want to do today. I love the extraness of Euphoria makeup. I've never watched the show, but the makeup just makes me kind of want to watch it. And I love playing with gems, like little rhinestones. And I only have a blue set with me right now. So I'm going to make this a super blue, glittery. We're just gonna have a lot of fun with it. All right, so I'm gonna prime my eyes now, and I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette because it has the most colors and I need them all. So his palette works great for those artistic freaking makeup looks, okay? So I'm gonna start off by packing on this shade right here. I'm gonna add that right over here into our crease. And then I'm gonna start to blend it out as I get the shape of what I want it to be. I'm gonna have it winged out. The beauty of blending. Blend, blend, blend. Now blues aren't the easiest shadows to work with, so you gotta be super patient with it. It's just one of those colors, you know what I mean? It's not a neutral. Oh my god, another thing is, for this one TikTok that I'm doing this whole ass makeup look for, only me. I'm literally so bad with transitions. Like, I don't know how these people do this acrobatic magician ass transitions. Like, we need a tutorial on that because that's something I need to learn. Like, I get the point of how they're doing it, but the smoothness does not come naturally to me. Definitely need to work on the transitions, okay? Hopefully this one that I'm doing today comes out good. If not, I don't know. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna go into this baby blue right here. Such a nice color. And I'm gonna start to blend that out like so. Now, what do we want to do here, huh? I'm gonna deepen up the crease a little bit with this navy blue shade right here. I'm just gonna get it right there. Yes, work. And if you guys have any specific videos that you want to see or TikToks or whatever, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know because I'm open for any requests. I like catering to my audience. Oh, I low-key want to put some black and white in here too. The precision. Okay. And now I'm going to cut the crease. Cut the crease. I like choked a little bit. Oh my god. All right, girl. Let's cut the crease. I'm going to bring her right there. Now I'm going to go into this sparkly shade over here. I want to brighten things up and make things like very glittery. Glittery? Why did I say it like that? And I'm going to just add this all over the lid. Oh, that's nice sparkle. And I didn't even add Fix Plus. Yes. And now I'm going to tie in this dark blue. And I'm going to add it right here on my outer corner and connect that wing we got going on with the shadow. And then I'm going to go into the black shade right here and I'm going to just start to smoke that out on our outer corner, kind of like where we would put our liner. And I'm kind of just winging it out using the shadow. Our look is looking fire. Now I'm going to add on my little rhinestones. I was thinking putting my lashes on and then putting them on, but that would have been harder, but then easier for me to kind of see the look because when you put lashes on, everything comes together. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up, I have them in a Ziploc. I know, kind of ghetto, but whatever. Gotta make it work. I've reused these gems for like years now. They're Swarovski, so I'm not about to throw them away after one use. That's like. And before I place it on with glue, I'm gonna kind of play around with this. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy tweezer, pick it up. Let's see, where will we put it? Maybe one here, one there, maybe here. What if I outline my lips? Oh, wow, that's futuristic. Oh, I'll put one on my brow, maybe down here. Yep. Alright, okay bitch, let's get it. I'm gonna take my Duo adhesive. It's clear, so when it dries, you won't be able to see it. And now, in the right hand corner, weighing 135 pounds. Not me, not after this quarantine. But, step down, my thing. This is smoky, and I love it. Sometimes I have like these little bursts of energy. Like, I don't know, I think the camera does this to me. Like, I will literally be like sluggish, right? And then I'll bring out my camera and I'll be like, my energy's coming back. It's like putting batteries in a toy. That's me. All right, let's put her up here. Why don't we? Oof. I just got an idea. I want to put some down here too, because we're not done with this makeup look. Damn, you know what else is on breaking news? McDonald's is coming out with spicy chicken nuggets. Yo, when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, they're catering to me. I love spicy and I love their chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna try that shit out real quick. My dramatic ass called McDonald's yesterday because I'm like, I need to know when the shipment comes in. And they told me next week, girl, it's gonna be here next week. Yo, why is there so much dust floating in the air? I'm very clean. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Do you see them? They're like floating. Is it the Swarovski crystals? Oh, it might be. Yes, bitch. Wow. I'm just like, I'm telling you. Yeah, put it down and pick it up. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Edith, get your shit together. I'm gonna put her here. How do we feel? Ooh, how do we feel? Oh, I kind of like it. Okay. Next. Step down my name. Bruh. I literally woke up today singing chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? That's all I was singing in my head. Like, I woke up, checked my phone to see what time it was, and on it goes. Chicken wing. Like, what the hell? I don't know, man. I don't know. Step down my name. All right. All right, my mom is gonna love this. Oh my gosh, she's like my biggest fan, okay? I go downstairs and it's like a new look every day, and she always looks at me and she's like, how beautiful. Like, it's the first time she saw me with crazy makeup on. Get you a man's like that. My man's is like that too, except like we don't live together, so my mom is kind of taking his place of compliments. But get you a supportive parent like that. And if you don't, damn, this just opened up like a whole new conversation of like childhood trauma. And oh wow, we're really getting deep. Like childhood trauma and how some people wish they had the parents that, you know, other people have. And all I have to say about that is everybody goes through a bunch of different shit, right? One person might have an alcoholic mother, another one might have an abusive dad. Like, when it comes down to stuff like that, just remember that you're gonna be the person that cuts that train of unhealthy trauma. Just know that you will be the start of an amazing parent or an amazing aunt or sister or whatever. You will be the train that stops the trauma and that starts the healthy relationships. We got really deep. Wow, okay. Chicken wing. I see, speaking of TikTok, I see a bunch of different shit. Like, my For You page either has to do with dance trends, alcohol, and I don't mean like people drinking or, well, actually, yeah. But there's a lot of partying going on my For You page. Along with weird like witch stuff or like ghost, like paranormal things. And also I see a very good amount, which is not good, but it's a big amount of people who share either like their parent getting into a fight with them or them in an abusive relationship or whatever the case may be, and it's so sad. When I see people like that, I just want to like help and hug and guide them the right way. Along with a lot of homeless people on my For You page, oh my god. But it makes me so happy when they actually turn their lives around. Wow, this is really deep. I didn't anticipate to be this deep today, okay? Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. Should I put one on my nose? Okay, no bitch, you're being too extra. All right, so I got most of the gems on, and now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So lashes, foundation, all that good stuff, and then I'll be right back to finish up what we have under the eyes. We gotta make it nice and fun and glittery. All right, I'm back. Oops, just noticed I didn't put lashes on. I guess we'll do that together. It kind of looks bomb without lashes though. But I know with lashes it'll look even better. All right, I'm gonna use the Glamour by K lashes in Nelly. This is my go-to, I swear. Whenever I can't find a lash that fits my look, I always end up using this one. But can we just take a moment? Damn. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm gonna start blending and connecting right underneath. So I'm blending this like 3/4 under the eye, and I'm leaving that inner corner piece for some shimmer shadow. So I'm gonna go into the same one right here, and I'm gonna add that right under. And I'm also going to take that navy blue shadow, add a little touch underneath here. Now I'm gonna add some mascara real quick. I think I wanna add some shadow running down. I can see it in my head, so I'm gonna do it. Go into this blue shade right here, and I'm just going to make little shadow. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ooh, badass. And I'm also gonna get the light blue and add some dimension. And this is just a nice little background for the gems that I'm gonna add. All right, now I'm gonna get some glue. Add one right there. This is looking beautiful. Put one there, and then put one here. Even though I haven't watched the show, I heard it was like very depressing. So I kind of like wanted to add like tears kind of situation. Hopefully I'm right. Shit, what if it's like a really happy ass show? Then I'ma look dumb. Oof. Maybe another one right here. Yeah. I have 2 left. I have to make a very cautious decision. Alright, now I'm gonna spray my face. Let it set. I'm gonna go in with a nude lip just because we have like a lot going on. I'm gonna add it right here and here and here, and add some Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Oh my god, I love this shit, dude. That's it, you guys. How do we look? How do we look? Now I need to go make my TikTok, so find me on TikTok and you'll see the final result of why I went through all of this to do one ass TikTok. I almost forgot to add inner corner highlight. Hold on. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.